I'm currently in CareerDevs Computer Science Academy, which is an absolutely amazing opportunity that I'm grateful to be a part of. And I wanted to share with you today our second project that we're working on. This is my portfolio. It's using the Bootstrap framework. So it is completely responsive. It has a menu up at the top for mobile, which is nice. And this is using a CSS file that can be found here on bootstrapcdn.com. And all you have to do is click on the CSS link itself. It copies it to the clipboard. You go back to your code and you paste it right here, as I already have. If you want to try different themes, there are many options available for you, and many of them are for free. And here's one site to do just that. It's bootswatch.com. There are different previews or screenshots of different themes that you have access to here. I am going to click on this Cosmo one, click on the preview, and you get to see the different components, colors, the functionality, the typography, and the different elements that are styled. Go back up here and go back. In order to basically get this CSS to put on your site, you simply click here and you click on this. So Bootstrap min CSS is a CSS file that will be served from another computer. So it won't be on the host site for your website. It'll be elsewhere, and it is a cached file, and this allows for quicker downloading. So I'm going to grab that link, go back to our code, and I already have it, but I would paste it right here. So this is the Cosmo theme CSS. This here is the default Bootstrap CSS. Now there are two CSS files, but the browser for this site is actually reading this one, is reading the default Bootstrap CSS. And you'll notice that because of the black here, you'll see that will change once we switch to the Cosmo theme. So in order to switch to the Cosmo theme, I have the CSS, and the nature of cascading style sheets is it's going to read the lowest one. So it's reading the second one here. So if I place this Cosmo style sheet reference below the default Bootstrap CSS reference, it will now use the Cosmo. And you can see already that there's some immediate changes to the font, to the color. So I'm going to refresh that, and we'll preview. And all the content is basically the same in the same place, but there's just some basic layout differences, and obviously the color scheme, but it still has the same responsive design. Open that back up again, and I'm going to go back to Bootswatch. So this is the CSS file that is very hard to read. What I found really helpful was if you go back to this download area, instead of the min, if you open up the Bootstrap CSS, now that's more what I expect to see a CSS file look like. So this is a great resource to be able to check out more of the styling that is available within this theme. So for instance, you can use the find feature, and you can type in IMG, and you can check out what items and styles are in here for images. Or if you want to look at the body tag, for instance, you can search for that, and you can go through and you can check out everything that is referenced in this file according to the body. I'm going to close that. And I just want to mention one more thing. I'm using this screencastify. It's a Google product, very easy to use, and you simply log in with your Google account. It saves to the Drive folder if you choose to do that, or you can save to your local device. When you save to your Drive folder, you can easily upload it to YouTube and have it available for everyone. I hope this has been helpful.